Hi, I'm Jack. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Jack. I'm Mary. Lovely to meet you too.
Where are you from, Mary?
I'm from London. How about you?
I'm from New York. What do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I teach kids.
That's great. I'm a software engineer.
Awesome!
What do you like to do in your free time? I love playing basketball and hiking.
Sounds fun. I enjoy reading and traveling.
Which books do you like to read?
Mostly fiction and self-improvement.
Cool, I'll have to check some out.
Yeah, definitely.
So what brings you here today?
Just attending a conference. How about you?
Same here. Looking forward to learning new things.
Absolutely.